nice Yamaha SH boat. Cool looking boat there. Well, they made it, guys. Going to get that trailer. That's the next step, I guess. Yeah, that dock's hot, that's for sure. Okay, well, going up the old river. Oh yeah. That's the way to do it. All right. Boat in here, guys. That's a cool looking boat, skeeter boat. Yeah. Very nice. Look out! I got this one on. Okay, they on out with this one. Oh yeah, get it, man. Big boat getting it. Take it home, Big Daddy. Oh yeah. I guess maybe he's headed out or taking off or something. Going to go get that trailer there, I guess. The big boat's made it around over here. I guess you're just trying to get some stuff out, I guess. Okay. Trailer off to the side there just a little bit. More Sea-Doos coming in over there. Oh yeah. Well guys, we're gonna call it Miley's new adventure. Have a great afternoon and a great night, everybody. As they work their way off this boat here. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm blowing that guy off to the right there a little bit. Looks like he's got it though. That was a Sea-Doo flying through there. All blue boat. Huh. Never know what you'll see, you know? The red boat made it on over there. Skeeter boats out of here. Another boat right there coming in. Everybody's coming back, guys. Guy's giving them the signal over here to bring it in. Oh, maybe it's that Sea-Doo. It's giving the signal too. Very cool. Another Skeeter boat there, guys. Yeah, it was hot out on the river today, that's for sure. Big boat made it up. The trailer coming in for this.
Hey, you find them? Yes.
So much stuff happening at one time, guys. You know? Very nice. Headed to the shore over there. Trailer coming. Sea-Doos are kind of holding it up there just a little bit. They can't really get the big boats out. They're trying to get the Sea-Doos out in front of them there. Okay. All right. That trailer is right there waiting. Sea-Doo out. They're coming. I'm not sure what this guy's up to. Coming in. Oh, look out. Very cool. I hope they had a lot of fun. I remember them days like that. Reach out, grab a hold of them, guys. Hang on. Hang on to them. They go so fast, you know. All right.
Back on the board.
Yeah, the trailer's right there, I think. He's going for it. Right on the trailer. Can get it there. That other big blue boat, he made it in over there. This other guy on the right there, he's going for it. I don't know if I can get both. Let's go here. Going on that trailer, trying to. This guy's making it. All right. I think he got it. All right, take her home, Big Daddy, take her home. This guy's still trying to get on here. He's been up on the trailer, back off the trailer, all over the place. Bumped the dock there a little. Wow. I remember those guys up in Tennessee and stuff telling me about how it's against the law to power load up there. Wow, it's blowing it all the way back here. Wow. That one guy was complaining about a no wake zone, but what about, wow. I think I almost washed this guy over. Still trying to get this one on here. Yeah. Big boat out there, I think. Trying to get everything out of that boat. Get out of there. Okay. I just about got this one.